Hi there, welcome back to the Meat Thinker channel. Today, let's make some beef and onion stir fry. This is delicious, cheap, and easy to make. And you can skip your next trip to a Chinese restaurant after trying this recipe. So let's get to it. I took a trip to Costco again to pick up this 3-pound package of beef loin tri-tip steak for about $26. Granted, this is a lot of food for a simple dinner, but please note that this also would make a great lunch menu with the leftovers. Take the strip of meat and start cutting against the grain and slice them into bite sizes. You can make it thick or thin, all per your preference. Just to touch on the ingredients before we go further, we have green onion, a large onion, garlic, oyster sauce, soy sauce, cooking wine, baking soda, cornstarch, sugar, salt, and pepper. All you can pick up in a single trip to your grocery store. And put the sliced meat into a large bowl and add soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, baking soda, cornstarch, and mix them thoroughly and set it aside. For the exact amount, please see the description below. Moving on to preparing the vegetables. Take the whole bulk of green onion and cut the ends off and then into 4 smaller sections. You can use them as is, but I like to split the white part of the green onion in half, as you can see here. Cut the whole onion into slices and break them apart and set aside. Next is prepping the garlic. Take the flat part of the knife, place it on top of the garlic, and smash it out of the skin. Peel the skin off and start chopping until it's small enough to be mixed thoroughly, but big enough to chew with the meat. Now we have all the ingredients ready, let's fire up the griddle. Put the griddle on high heat, throw some cooking oil, and add green onion and sliced onion onto the griddle. I saved some of the green part of green onion to add at the end of the cook, so feel free to save them for later. We're going to cook the rest just enough to get rid of that spiciness, but still have that crunchiness. Remove them off the griddle and set it aside. Bring the griddle back to high heat. Add more oil and throw in the marinated beef. Spread them out evenly and keep it going until you have a decent sear going on the beef. Add minced garlic, cooking wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and work it into the mix. Make sure to start off with the amount of sauce listed in the description below and add more sauce to your taste. Just remember, you can always add sauce, you just can't take it out. Once the beef is cooked to your liking, go ahead and add back the green onion and onion mixed into the griddle. Man, I wish you could smell this beef and onion. It looks good, but it tastes so much better. It's another explosion of flavor in your mouth. What is your favorite stir-fry menu for your weekday dinner that you want to take the leftovers for lunch the next day? Let me know in the comment section and share your recipe as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.